Page number 28 and 29 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits in your notebook. Did you do that work in your notebook, children? I hope you completed your work. Today, I'm going to continue the next topic, and that is very important. And this topic you have already learned in class 2. How to arrange the numbers in ascending order and in descending order. And you know already how to arrange the numbers in ascending order. In class 2, you arrange single digit numbers as well as two digit numbers and three digit numbers in ascending order. And same like that, descending order is also you did in class 2. Again, we will do few bits related to ascending order and descending order in this chapter. Let's continue the topic, children. Before solving 6th and 7th bits, I want to show you one video. Children, look at this video carefully and try to understand the concept. Children, today I have come up with a new topic, that is ascending order and descending order of numbers. What is ascending order actually? When the numbers are arranged from smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. You know, ascending order means what? Numbers arranged from smallest to greatest is called ascending order. When the numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest, then it is called descending order. Ascending order is also known as increasing order. Descending order also known as the decreasing order. This is the number line. In the number line, the numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. That is in ascending order. But in the backward counting, the numbers are arranged from greatest to the smallest. That is in descending order. Okay, children? Look at this small model of a slide. When you climb up on the stairs, you are ascending. And when you are sliding down from the other side, that is descending. Now I'll explain this concept with the help of this model of staircase. Observe it carefully. Children, observe that numbers. I have given numbers for each step. Is that clear? Each step 1 to step number 10. Step number 1 to step number 10. And this is step number 10 to step number 1. Now let me introduce you this baby monkey. He is Tutu. Who is he? Tutu. And he is very naughty monkey. He has seen the bananas that are kept on the top of the staircase. See? On the number 10. He just want to eat that. Now he is starting from step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Come on, count with me. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. He reached his bananas. Let him eat the bananas. Now tell me, children, which is the smallest number here? Yes, correct. 1 is the smallest number here. And the greatest number is what, children? Yes, 10. Where Tutu was climbing up from the step number 1 to step number 2, number 3 till step number 10, he was actually ascending. He was ascending the steps. See. Now, Tutu has finished the bananas. Now, he's coming down from the other side of the steps, from step number 10, step number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When he was moving from step number 10 to step number 1, He was actually descending the steps. Clear, children? Understood, no? Climbing up from the smallest number to the greatest number is called ascending order. Coming down from the greatest number to the smallest number is called descending order. Clear, children? Are you ready to do some example, children? See, here I have the cutouts of few fruits. Can you name these fruits? This is a pineapple, apple. This is a single grape. And this one is a watermelon. Now, we have to arrange these fruits in ascending order according to its size. Okay, children, understood? Ascending order means what, children? First, we have to start with the smallest fruit, isn't it? Okay, children? Which is the smallest fruit here? Grape. Okay? Are you agreeing with me? Now, I am keeping black grape in the first place. Second fruit should be answer. Apple? Yes, correct answer. And third place, we have to keep pineapple. And in the fourth place, watermelon, because watermelon is the biggest fruit here. We have arranged these fruits in ascending order from the smallest to the greatest. Clear, children? Smallest to the greatest. One more picture example I want to show you. Okay? Here I have some cutouts of some vegetables. So we are going to arrange these vegetables in a descending order. So in the descending order, what we are supposed to do, children, tell me? We have to arrange biggest to smallest. We have to start now with the biggest vegetable. What is that? Pumpkin. And name that vegetables. That is a cauliflower. And it is a ladyfinger. And it is a onion. So, which is the biggest vegetable here? Tell me, children, fast. Yes, 100% right answer. Pumpkin is the biggest fruit. So, it will come in the first place. And in the second place? Yes, cauliflower. In the third place? Onion. And in the fourth place? We will get ladyfinger. I hope you understood, children. Here we arranged these vegetables in the descending order, children. Okay, children. So we arranged here vegetables according to their size. Can we do some number examples? Are you ready? Read the question. Arrange in ascending order. So we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to start with the smallest number. Okay, children. First we have to write the smallest number. Okay, which number will come first here? Sure. 1 will come first. Can I write here 1? Okay, 1 is correct answer. Observe these numbers. Then 2 is not there. So 3 we have to write here. Okay, children. Now cut the numbers. Whatever numbers you written here. Now you observe 7 and 4. Which is the smallest number? 4 or 7? 4. Write 4 here. And 7 is the only number left. So write the number last box 7. The numbers from smallest to biggest 1, 3, 4 and 7. Children, these are 1-digit numbers, easy to do. Let's move to the question number 2. Whenever you get 2-digit numbers, you have to check first whether all the numbers are having the same number of digits or not. This number is a 2-digit number, okay? Tens ones. Ayyo, this number is a single digit number. This is 2-digit number and last number also 2-digit number. One thing you have to know, 1-digit number is always smaller than 2-digit number. So what we have to do now, which is the smallest number here? The single digit number is the smallest number. So I'll write 9 here. So this is done. Now we have to see 36, 18 and 25. Which is the smallest number here? For this, what you have to do is, you have to see first digit of a number. Observe only first digit. The first digit of this number is 3. Here 3 and here 1 and here 2. Now tell me, by remembering the number line, which number will come first? 1, 2 or 3? Which is the smallest number here? 1, 8. 18 is the smallest number among these three. So I'll write 18 here. Now observe carefully. 2, 5, 25, 3, 6, 36. So after 1 we'll get 2. So 2, 5, 25 I'll write. Which is the number left here? 36. So I'll write 36 in the last box. Let me do some descending order. See here, in descending order, we have to start with the greatest number. Children, I have already told you we have to see the first digit of the numbers. The first digits you see 2 and 5, 3 and 4. Now remember the backward counting line and tell me which is the greatest number here. Tell me, children. Tell me. 2? No. 5? Yes. So 5 is the greatest number. So 50 is the number which I have to write here. Cross it. After writing, cross it. Now tell me which number will come here in second place. 2, 3 or 4? Which number should come here? Yes, 4. 4, 5, 45 is the answer. Now in second place I have written 45. Now in the third place 30, 30 and in the last place 20, 20 will come here. Okay, look at the second example. Here all the numbers are 2-digit numbers. Observe first digit of numbers 6, 7, 6, 8. Okay, which is the greater number here? Obviously 8. 83 will come here. And second 74. Cross 83 and 74. Now observe these two numbers left, 62 and 67. Both the numbers are having, in the first place, digits are same, 6, 6. Now how to know which is the bigger number, 62 or 67? When the first digits are same, what you have to do? Ignore the first digit, strike off. Then you have to go for the next digit. Okay, here what the second digit? 2, digit 2, and here digit 7. So now tell me which is the greatest number, 7 or 2? Yes, 7. So 67 I'll write here, and which number is left? 62 is the last number. So smallest number is 62. Okay children, I hope you understood this concept very nicely with these examples. Okay, I'll give you few more example bits today in the class. After watching this video, try to solve 2-digit numbers, arranging 2-digit numbers in ascending order as well as in descending order, same time.